Well, I'm fresh off the boat from Ireland, salt on my coat and sleeves, pocket full of letters from my mother, folded hopes and rosary beads. Harbor smoke still on my jacket, strangers' voices all around, names like distant constellations I can't place on any town. Shall I go to Detroit or Michigan, where the tall red chimneys rise, or to the blue hills of Kentucky, where the morning mist still hides? One road made of iron and cinder, one road made of gust and dew. I'm standing by the station window, praying one of them leads to you. Not any old wife will do, I pray. One road leads to you, to you. Detroit's good for working, steel and sweat and winter wind. They say if you can't stand the darkness, you might buy the light again. But there's word from a cousin in Kentucky, church does cornfield Sunday pies. He writes a river slow and silver, and stars like diamonds in his eyes. Shall I go to Detroit or Michigan, where the tall red chimneys rise, or to the blue hills of Kentucky, where the morning mist still hides? One road made of iron and cinder, one road made of dust and dew. I'm fresh off the boat from Ireland, praying one of them leads to you. To you. Oh, to you. Ticket man taps on the counter, says, son, it's time to choose. I whisper a towel like a prayer under breath, afraid either way I lose. Shall I go to Detroit or Michigan, where the tall red chimneys rise, or to the blue hills of Kentucky, where the morning still hides? One road made of iron and cinder, one road made of dust and dew. Fresh off the boat from Ireland, pray one of them leads to you. Oh, not any old wife or do. Prayers, Lord, let me find her all the same. fresh off the boat from Ireland.